Hey guys, I'm actually down here today. We're going to be doing a lot more of videos upcoming for our YouTube, Facebook, things like that. But I want to talk to you about, we have some fertilizers here now. If you hadn't already been in the Tubbs here lately, you wouldn't know about this, but we want to let the folks know out there. We have the fertilizers for our area. We're in Bossier City, Benton, Louisiana. We have two locations. They're only 9 miles apart from one another. But if you live in the ArkLaTex, we have the fertilizers that are made for our area. A lot of times people will hit me up from up north, things like that on videos that I've done. I appreciate all the feedback, everything that people give. But look, folks, we are literally gearing towards a lot of things focused for our area. I'm more than willing to help anybody out that needs any information, so please, y'all can continue to message us on Facebook and I will help you out in any way possible. Now, but what I want to get to today, I want to talk to y'all about our fertilizer. We have 3 different types of fertilizer that we've come out with this year. These blends are specifically made for our area. They do very, very well. And I look forward to y'all experiencing what a good fertilizer geared towards your area will do for you. The bag I have in front of me today, this is our Lawn Magic. This is our top of the line blend. This one right here is a 28-3-12. It has U-Flex in it, so it's a time release nitrogen, so it does very, very well for you. Like I said, this is our top of the line. We have a 15-5-10. We have a 18-6-12. Both of those are wonderful, wonderful blends for our area. None of these products will burn up your yard. A lot of people have asked me a lot of questions involving, which fertilizers to use and this, that, and the other. Now, we have some little soil test kits and things like that. You can really dial it down to exactly what you need, what you're deficient in, everything like that. We have a real problem with around this area because we got a lot of clay-based soil, sandy soil, that there's not a whole lot of microbials that are in it. People's pH are off. We have all those things to help you get back on track with that, but just getting back down to basics. Fertilizer, a lot of people don't realize what the numbers mean. Well, the first number means like your upward growth. So that is what's going to give you a lot of the rapid growth, the height. It's going to give you the real rich, anything that's healthy is going to grow. So the first number is your upward growth. The second number is your downward growth. That really helps out with your roots, everything like that. If you have a very, very strong yard throughout the years, you're going to have, if you're treating right and properly, you're going to have strong roots. You're going to have very, very healthy grass. So like I said, the second number is downward growth. Third number is for the outward growth. So that means like a lot of people, they'll have grass out in their yard and it looks pretty and green, but it's real kind of stringent. It looks unhealthy because it's not thick. It's going to give you that real rich outward thick looking grass. So those are the numbers that you need to pay attention on that. Now, a lot of times people look at in your square footage, everything like that, and I will get a lot more in depth with those, but I really want to reach out to my community around here in the ArkLaTex and let them know that we have the fertilizers that are based for our area, our temperatures, our climates, everything that we're doing. We've tested these, they work great. Now, another thing that I want to let people know, because a lot of people, they'll come in, they'll buy a fertilizer, or they'll just pass it up and go, I really don't have anything that will, spread out this fertilizer in my yard. Well, I'll tell you what, you come into Tubbs and you get a bag of fertilizer to fertilize your yard. We have these spreaders right here. They're by Echo, stainless steel, super, super, super nice spreader. We have these in our rental department, so you can come in and rent it or anything like that to put out any kind of granular or anything that you need in your yard. If you come to Tubbs and you purchase our fertilizer from us, I'm gonna let you take this rental spreader home for free and go put our fertilizer out in your yard because we believe in it so much. Now, we have the products down here that are really geared towards our area. Now, I've been known to let people know, hey, I don't mind walking around with a target on my back for these big box stores because I'm quick to let everybody know. When it comes to a big box store, they have products for nationwide. They don't have products for your area. So if you're out there and you're not in the ArkLaTex, you're watching this video, I encourage everybody, go to mom and pop stores, go to your local feed stores, local hardware, local power equipment stores, get with those guys because they know what the pros are using and they know what their area is yearning for or needing as far as products to make sure that you have that truly healthy yard. Because let's face it, folks, if you're mowing less weeds, you're mowing less. And here at Tubbs, we're all about less time mowing. Y'all have any questions or anything, I'm gonna put up a couple of links on here so that y'all can get some feedback on some things. I'm gonna probably put on a picture or two about the different spreading. A lot of people, they've asked, you know, square footage, how do I figure that? How do I calibrate my spreader? So I'll make sure that I have a picture on that for y'all. I'll let it kind of pause out for a little while so you can, so that you can actually jot down any information, either snap it on your phone or anything like that. So if y'all have any questions, y'all want to get some feedback, let me know for what things that y'all really looking for this year. Just please let me know, comment in the box, and I'll get back with y'all with a video. Thank y'all so much. And like we say around Tubbs, less time mowing, more fun grilling. Y'all come see us.